In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Skype notifications. In our digitally connected world, notifications can sometimes become more of a distraction than a help. Maybe you're working on an important project, attending a webinar, or simply enjoying some quiet time, and those continuous pings from Skype seem relentless. Whatever your reason, gaining control over your notifications can significantly improve your focus and the peace of mind. So, let's dive into how you can achieve just that in about 5 minutes. First off, you'll need to navigate to the Skype website. Once there, you'll see an option that says Open Skype in Browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed into your account, you'll be prompted to do so. This is a straightforward process. Just enter your Skype credentials and you'll be good to go. It's the first step to regaining a bit of your digital tranquility. Next, once you're signed in and looking at the main Skype interface, you'll notice 3 dots in the application, generally located at the top or side, depending on your layout. This is usually an indication of more options or a settings menu in most applications, and Skype is no exception. Go ahead and give those 3 dots a click to reveal what's hidden beneath. As you might have guessed, among the options presented, you'll find Settings. Click on it. This is where you can customize various aspects of Skype to better suit your preferences and needs. We're getting closer to the peace and quiet you're seeking. Once in the settings menu, look for notifications. It might be listed directly, or you might need to scroll a bit to find it, but it's there. Clicking on this option will take you to a new screen where Skype will show you all the different types of notifications you can receive. And here comes the part we've been aiming for, adjusting your chat notifications. Despite the initial instructions setting up to turn notifications off, this is where you actually have the power to turn the dial down on your Skype notifications. If your goal is to reduce distractions, toggling off chat notifications might just be the ticket. You'll find a switch or a checkbox next to chat notifications. Simply click or tap on it to change its status. Turning off chat notifications means Skype will no longer alert you every time you get a new message. This can be a huge relief, especially during those times when you need to focus or simply wish to unplug from the constant barrage of digital pings. Remember, the goal here is to create a digital environment that works best for you. Feel free to explore other notification settings while you're here. Skype offers a degree of customization, and you might find other notifications that you prefer to silence. Each choice brings you one step closer to a balanced digital life, where notifications serve you, not the other way around. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of turning off Skype notifications. A simple change, but one that could have a significant impact on your daily digital experience. Remember, in our fast-paced world, taking control over what demands our attention is not just a matter of convenience, it's a step towards better digital well-being. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly found peace from unnecessary notifications.